Hello and welcome to OKM Detectors. My name is Stefan and I present to you the OKM Fusion Professional Plus. The OKM Fusion Professional Plus is the best machine of the OKM Fusion series. It contains in total of 5 different search modes: live sound, ground scan in vertical orientation, ground scan in horizontal orientation, live scan in vertical orientation, and live scan in horizontal orientation. Additionally, we have the SRIS search coil included at the control unit. The OKM Professional Plus is delivered in a shock-resistant case with customized foam. We have the control unit. The control unit consists of the SRIS search coil. We have the telescopic rod, which you can use for horizontal scans. We have the Windows Notebook with the pre-installed Visualizer 3D Studio software in the professional version. Additionally, wireless headphones, chargers and travel adapter. All the information you need to operate your system with a quick start guide, with a guarantee card, with the device passport and all brochures. We at OKM Detectors, we manufacture every single device of the Fusion series here in Germany. We are a team of roughly 30 employees working very hard every single day to provide you the best metal detector and 3D treasure hunting technology. We have engineers, production facilities and marketing and sales teams to help you now for over 23 years here from Germany. Now let's look at the details of the OKM Fusion Professional Plus. This is the control unit. The control unit has all the sensor technologies for vertical scanning, but also horizontal scanning included. It also includes an internal battery with an operating time of 12 hours. You also have the SRIS search coil, which helps you finding precious metal near to the surface. The control unit is operated by the Windows Notebook and our software Visualizer 3D Studio through a Bluetooth connection. Now let's go out and conduct our first scans. We are now outside to perform our first scan with the OKM Fusion Professional Plus. We will now do the live sound. Live sound will help us to eliminate trash of the scan area. After having performed our first scan with the OKM Fusion Professional Plus, we will now use the horizontal live scan search mode to get a first indication of our scan field. Now we will perform the horizontal ground scan with our OKM Fusion Professional Plus. It will give us a good indication about buried treasure in our scan field. Now it is time for the vertical ground scan of the OKM Fusion Professional Plus. It will give us a more detailed, high precision view of the scan field. Last but not least, we will now perform the vertical live scan of the OKM Fusion Professional Plus. The vertical live scan will help us to locate the exact location of the target we are looking for. After having performed all scans with our OKM Fusion Professional Plus, we will now go inside and analyze with our software Visualizer 3D Studio. Now we are back inside after scanning outside with the OKM Fusion Professional Plus. The good thing is we do not need to transfer any data from the control unit to the notebook because it's already on the notebook and opened in the Visualizer 3D Studio software. If you would like to have more information how to conduct a detailed analysis in Visualizer 3D, please have a look into the documentation and all videos.